Hi, I'm Gina Chen, and I'm a senior consultant at Inspira Futures. I did my JD MBA at the Kellogg School of Management, and before business school, I was in management consulting, where I focused on a variety of different industries, including retail, technology, and pharmaceuticals and healthcare. I went to business school thinking that I wanted to be a marketer, and I worked to make the transition from consulting to marketing. And after business school, I worked in marketing at Genentech, a biotech company out in San Francisco, for about 4 years. And since then, I've made another career transition, and now I'm working in marketing in the nonprofit and social impact space and working as a freelance writer. It's reported that nearly 50% of business school students are looking to switch careers. Are you one of them? If so, stay tuned because I'm going to tell you a little bit about how you can effectively use an MBA for a career change. An MBA can be a great platform to make career transitions. In my Kellogg class, I personally knew a number of people who were coming from completely different backgrounds, such as the military or journalism, and getting into industries like finance and marketing. Here's how you can make a use of an MBA to effectively switch careers. Number 1, don't go into your MBA program with a blank slate, but don't go in with a closed mindset either. Business schools have a lot to offer. Any top school will have a very broad array of electives, extracurriculars, networking events, exchange programs, and a lot more that you can do to pick up specific skills and build networks. So you have a lot of things that are competing for your time. And if you go in without a plan, you're going to get burned out very quickly. And I tell this to almost all of my clients, that it is better to be a little bit more focusing on 3 or 4 industries or functions that you are interested in doing after business school. And that way you go in with a plan and you're a little more focused in choosing what you spend your time doing. You don't want to get overwhelmed if you go in without any idea of what you want to do because there are just too many options. Number 2, identify which skills are transferable to your dream career and target your efforts on building skills that you lack. If you're looking to switch industries, you'll have to convince prospective employers that you have what it takes to succeed in your new role, even though you've never done it before. While your employer might not care about the fact that you don't have previous experience in their industry, they will definitely want to hear about what skills you bring to the table. Spend time with career services, alumni, classmates, and friends, introspecting and drawing out a list of things that you're good at. Then you can create a targeted plan through your coursework and extracurricular activities to bridge the gap between where you are and where you need to be. For example, having advanced Excel and financial modeling skills is a must if you want to work in corporate finance. However, you might not have that exposure to these skills if you come from a marketing background. Think about communication skills and analytical abilities that your marketing background might have helped you hone and create a pathway for yourself to build the Excel skills needed to succeed. Number 3, focus on building targeted networks. If you're looking to switch careers, your resume will probably not tell the entire story. Building connections is a critical piece of the puzzle. You want to talk to as many people as possible. This will help you learn about opportunities and refine your pitch. Business school is one of the best institutions in the world to build these networks. Getting to know people takes time, so make sure you start early. Number 4, gain as much relevant experience as possible. You'll have plenty of opportunities to gain real-world experience in a particular industry, even while you're in business school. The summer internship is an obvious opportunity to do so. However, even outside your summer internship, there are things such as consulting engagements, part-time work opportunities, and student clubs that can give you invaluable work experience, which can go a long way in convincing employers about your ability and drive to succeed in a new industry. For example, if you want to work in investment management, Several top schools have student-run investment funds, which you can apply to be a part of. Number 5, start early and keep at it. Finding the right role in the right industry can be a genuinely life-changing experience. But as they say, nothing hard ever comes easy. Things might be challenging, especially in the beginning. You might struggle to develop networks, keep getting rejected from jobs, and end up feeling like you're hitting a brick wall. It's crucial that you don't give up. Keep talking to people, applying for jobs, identifying opportunities, and putting yourself out there. Eventually, you will succeed. These are the 5 things to keep in mind when using your MBA to switch careers. If you would like to learn which schools might be a good fit to set you up for success in a new industry, would like to learn how to ace your MBA application, or want a free profile evaluation, don't hesitate to set up a call with us. That's a wrap. Thank you for your time and good luck on your applications.